welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nizel O, and here we treat everything concerning hair growth. Are you having hair problem, or do you just want to grow your hair, like have a long, full, healthy, natural hair? You are at the right place. So today I'll show you how to make rosemary oil. Yes, that oil that you've been seeing everyone talk about. We are making it today. So here I have my rosemary plants, and from these plants we'll make our rosemary oil. So let's go. So to make this oil, I'll be needing just few things. I'm using my carrier oil. I'm using this oil as a carrier oil. This is a fractionated coconut oil, and I'll explain the reason why I like using it later. And then I have the bottle where I'll put the oil after everything. And then I also have this bottle container. It is airtight, and also I'll be using a pot because like I said, we'll be using double boiler methods. And then we'll also be using our rosemary leaf, which is the most important ingredient of all. And one more apparatus that I almost forgot to add is sieve. So to make this oil, you need rosemary plants. You can either use the dry rosemary leaf or the fresh rosemary leaf. So what I did is I took my rosemary leaf and then I transferred it into my airtight bottle container after I added the fractionated coconut oil. Now the reason why I like using fractionated coconut oil as my carrier oil is because it is very lightweight. It is very, very lightweight. Unlike other oils that are heavyweight, that after everything you find it a bit difficult to extract all the oil from the chaff. So that's the reason why I like using fractionated coconut oil. And then the next thing I do is I pour water into the pot because we are doing double boiler method. After pouring the water into the pot, I will take the container and then I put it into the pot. So allow this to boil on medium heat. Allow it to boil for about 30 minutes, or if you have the time for longer period of time, you can leave it there. So I allowed mine to boil, and this is what it looks like. You can see that the color of the oil is now changing. This shows that the extraction process have begun. So after about 30 minutes, I turn off my pot and then I allow the pot to cool down a bit. After which I brought out the airtight sealed bottle container. The reason why I love using this container is because it is airtight. Pressure is doing its work inside the bottle. So then the next thing is to open the bottle. And then after I opened the bottle, oh my goodness, the aroma was everywhere. Like the whole kitchen is smelling like rosemary. And then I started the separation technique, which is with sieve. So I separated the oil from the leaf, which is now the chaff, and this is what we got. You see the color of the oil. The color of the oil is now green. That is giving rosemary oil color, yes, as it should be. So the next thing I did is to transfer it into my applicator bottle. I like transferring it into this bottle because this is the bottle I use directly whenever I want to apply hair growth oil on my scalp or my hair. So at this point, you can go on and add about 1 or 2 drops of other essential oil of your choice. Rosemary oil improves blood circulation, it enhances cellular regeneration, it reduces dandruff and itchiness in the scalp, it strengthens your hair root, and it improves shine and texture. I'm glad that you've learned how to make rosemary oil. Now, to apply it, take the oil, apply it into your scalp. You can use your bare hands and then you massage it into your scalp. Also, you can also apply it to your hair. That's after moisturizing your hair, after adding your leave-in conditioner, you take the rosemary oil and then you use it and lock in the moisture. In my next video, I'll show you how I apply my own rosemary oil for effective hair growth. So see you in my next video. Bye bye.